Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel Baked by Fatima. In this video, we are going to learn how to make mini heart pinatas. Please subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon to get notified whenever I upload a new video. So the ingredients you need is 400 grams of melted white chocolate, an oil-based gel color, and a pinata mold. So let's begin by adding the color in your chocolate. Make sure you take the perfect amount that you require for your chocolates. I am adding more 2-3 drops to enhance the color of my chocolates. We give this a quick mix and then you can start pouring in your mold. You have to take around 1 tablespoon of chocolate in each section of the mold. After filling all 6 sections, you can now start spreading your chocolate all over the sides. You can also use a spoon to spread it to all sides of the heart. Now we refrigerate this for 10 to 15 minutes. Let's begin with the step 2. I have taken 1 cup of cake crumbs. You also need ganache. I am using my own recipe. You all can check out the link in the description box. It's around 1/4 cup. We will give this a mix and make sure that all the ganache have got into the cake. After mixing, you can keep this in the fridge for 5 minutes. As you all can see, after mixing, it has completely become a dough. It's been 10 minutes. Now I have removed my mold from the fridge. Now I'll add in the cake. You have to take a small amount of cake and spread it evenly in each section. Now we will pour the remaining chocolate on the mold and fill all the sides of the hearts. Spread it evenly and make sure there are no gaps remaining. Our mini heart pinata is now ready. Please subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon to get notified whenever I upload a new video.